In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the Shopify password to unlock your store. We'll walk through each step so you can easily manage your Shopify store settings with confidence. First things first, you're going to want to open Shopify. Ensure you have a good internet connection and are using a reliable browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Safari. Having a stable connection is essential to ensure that the changes you make do not get interrupted. Once your browser is ready and open, type in the address for Shopify's website, or you can use a bookmarked link if you have one saved. This convenience helps you quickly reach your Shopify store's homepage. Once you've navigated to the Shopify main page, you'll see the option to log into your account at the top right corner. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. Remember to have your login information handy. If you haven't set up two-step authentication, it's a good practice to do so for an added layer of security. This helps protect your store from unauthorized access, keeping your business safe. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to the Shopify admin dashboard, which is essentially the control center for your store. Here, you'll find multiple options on the left-hand side menu such as orders, products, customers, analytics, and so on. For this video, we want to focus on finding the password, which is typically related to setting adjustments. Now, go ahead and, from the main left navigation menu, click on the Online Store option. This will reveal a drop-down menu, from which you should select Themes. Themes are essentially the design templates for your store, and this is where you'll manage store settings, including password protection. In the Themes page, look for a button labeled Actions, typically located near the theme you currently have active. Click on this, and select Edit Code from the drop-down options. This step brings you to the Themes Code Editor, where you can make detailed adjustments to the theme's code. However, for today's task, we are specifically looking for basic settings related to password management rather than editing any HTML or CSS. Once inside the code editor, what you're actually looking for is someplace else. Go back to the Online Store menu, and this time, select Preferences instead. Here, you'll find all sorts of settings that let you tweak your store's details, including the Password Protected section under Password Protection. To unlock your store, scroll down in this section, and you'll see a field labeled Password with a text box to the right. If there's a password-protected page, this is where you have control over visibility. Enter your preferred new password here if you're setting it for a renewed password setup, or simply note down the existing password for future reference if you need to access it later. Before you leave this page, make sure to scroll down and hit the Save button, which is crucial for confirming any changes you've made. That's it for today's guide. Now, you know how to access and manage the password settings for your Shopify store with ease.